In this active tip, we're going to look at ways that you can set up a container using keywords. Now in this scenario, I have fractions that are going to go into a container for less than half, for equaling half, and for greater than half. I'm going to set up one of these and show you how we could use keywords because I want to have more than one fraction going into one of these containers. So let's do the container for greater than half. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to go over here to my property browser. And then down here I'm going to go to my tab that says container. Now where it says can contain, I want it to contain not anything and not an object, but a keyword. And so then I want to do it can contain the word, and for this we're just going to use the letter C. I think it's best when you're doing containers with keywords to pick short words or pick letters as opposed to typing out greater than half, and you could do big long words, but then you could get into a possible spelling error that messes up your entire container. So again, we want the contain rule to be completely contained, and again, for a reward sound, I don't want to have one for this. And so now I need to go to each of my objects that is exactly, or that is greater than half. So if I look around, 4/5 is greater than half. So I click on it. I need to go up to where it says identification up here at the top, and you'll see a spot for keyword. Well, I need to give it a keyword because it doesn't natively have one. And I want the keyword to be C so it fits into this container. Let's find another one that's over half. Well, over here, 7/12. 7/12 is more than half. Give it a keyword. Give it the keyword C. Now what I'm going to do is highlight all of these guys right here, and then go down to container, and where it says return if not contained, I'm going to click that to true. I'm going to do the same for these guys right over here. And just like that, I've set a container for keywords. So now these are all going to return if not contained because they're not being contained anywhere. But if you remember, this 4/5 I set to keyword C, and this container right here accepts keyword C. So if I put it there, it's going to stay. And the same thing with 7/12. It won't go in A, but it will go here in C. So now if I wanted to do the rest of this, I could just repeat it on steps for A, and then over here on steps for B. On this page number 2, you can see what I've done is I've stacked up the numbers so they fit right here on the left, and they're all set to return if not contained, so I don't have to have numbers all over the place, so every time a student comes up, they can grab a new number and put it in the correct place. This page right here you can download on Promethean Planet in the forums. Just search for ActivTips flipcharts. Hopefully this has helped you in creating your own keyword container. Enjoy.